Hey Rick, it's Josh Betzel. I was talking to Debbie the other day and she gave me this email to send this video over to you. But today in this video, I'm going to be showing you just 3 things that you could be doing to bring in more customers to your business. Now you're probably sitting there wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from somebody is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I've found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to go over is content. First of all, I want to just say that you have a really nice designed website. I really like it. But when it comes to content, you have a good amount of content on your back pages when I was going through it, but you really want at least 1,500 words on this homepage. And there's a reason why. Google sends out these robots. These robots, they look and crawl through content for keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So I go over here to my Keywords Everywhere tool. It costs you about $10 for 100,000 credits, which will last you a couple of months, but it shows you what keywords you're ranking for on your website. And as you can see, the ones you're ranked for the most are typically tailored towards your company name. But what we're really looking for when we're talking about keywords is keywords tailored to your service area and niche that you're doing. So like hardwood flooring, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 2. Like that's a great keyword. Flooring companies, let's go down here. Floor tile, Jacksonville, Florida. Wood flooring, Jacksonville, common floor. So those are all keywords that you really want to implement. And how I actually, another way besides just content that I see people, that I myself do for clients is hiding them in images as well. So we go over here and we do a save image as, it comes up as 297. All right. Now I'm gonna go over here to your competition, which is Mike Nickel Flooring, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. When I go to save image as, it comes up with flooring store servicing Jacksonville, Florida. So that's another way to add keywords into your website for Google to see. All right. The second thing I want to talk about was just how this first page is laid out. So we have the search bar, we have the ads, and ads are good, okay? But research shows that ads are only semi-effective. It can become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. And then we get to the map pack, and then you see Mike's website down here. This is why he's your competition, by the way, because he's ranked organically number 1 when searching flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida. But back to the map pack, I bet you're wondering how I get ranked in here. I found your Mandarin location on the 4th page of the Google map pack, and I found your Beach Boulevard location on the 5th. Yes, 5th. So I went ahead and plugged both of your locations into my local citation finder. It's by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. It costs you about $30-$70 a month depending on your plan, but it shows me that for your Mandarin location you have 11 citation sources. All right, and for your Beach Boulevard you have 67 citation sources. Citations is typically how you climb this Google map pack, okay, along with some other things like adding more content description. I believe Google offers a 750 character limit. Definitely optimize that to the fullest in installing those keywords in there. So you want to add some more pictures on your map packs, and you want to add some more citations. If you really want to beat your competition now by a landslide, you need to have at least 200 to 300 citations to not be just on that first page, but be in this top 3. So when people are searching for services, your company's already on their mind. All right, the third thing I want to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice. So what is this backlinks and link juice I'm talking about? Well, I'll give you an example. Let's use LinkedIn as an example. LinkedIn is pointing to your website, therefore LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. I emphasize relative because that's very important, because some SEO or digital marketing agencies will just go throw referring domains and backlinks into a website, but they really don't have any drive. They don't have that integrity that Google really likes to see. And I'll show you this example here. So I'm gonna go over here. This is your Ahrefs, by the way. Ahrefs is a phenomenal SEO tool. I use it every single day because, well, I'm a digital marketer, but it costs you about $170 a month if you want to get a membership of your own. But it shows me they have 126 referring domains and about 1,100 backlinks. Okay, I'm gonna go over here to Mike's Ahrefs. He has 38 referring domains and 207 backlinks. So I bet you're wondering, Josh, how the heck is this guy beating me? But also, I just want to throw this out. You are right here at number 3, so you're climbing up in this Google rank. So I can only assume that you have somebody like me working for you right now. But they really just need a teeter-totter on some things for sure to get you to number 1. So I'm going to go over some do follow, no follow, and that's very important. I noticed when I went into your backlinks, a lot of it was no follow, 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 no follow. And when I'm talking about that, let me go to overview, just right here. I see that I think it was 74% of your backlinks are no follow, and you're only 25% are do follow. So that you could be losing integrity on that. And I'm just going to go in your referring domains, and your referring domains are actually looking not too shabby. All right, you don't have a lot of zeros on the first page or second page of your referring domains, but you definitely need more drive. You really want to be above those like 70s. For when you're getting referring domains. So you need to go through competition's websites and Ahrefs account, and you need to figure out what type of blog comments they have, what type of influence links or link juice they have, what type of guest posts do they have, what type of citations do they have, what type of social profiles do they have that are working, and how many of them are actually relative. Okay, so as you see, when we go to the second page, we're starting to see more zeros. So although you have 127, how many are actually giving your website that drive and that integrity that Google likes to see? All right, so I hope this really helps you out, and I bet you're wondering what now. Well, I really just want to go back over the 3 things we talked about, and the first thing was content. Definitely add some more add more content onto this homepage, at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google for those robots to crawl and look for the keywords. Also, try to save some images as some keywords as well, just like we were talking about earlier when we do the save image. Didn't want to do that. Save image as. All right, just like that. Okay. The second thing we talked about was citations, and that's how you climb on this Google Map Pack. Like I said, you have 11 on your Mandarin location and 67, I believe, on your Beach Boulevard location. Yeah, definitely get about 200 to 300 of these bad boys in there to beat your competition out by a landslide. Add more pictures, add better descriptions, and Google reviews are always a plus. Okay. The third thing was backlinks and link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. All right, and I can absolutely help you out with that if needed. But I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I hope you have a great day. I'm looking forward to hearing back from you.